Designed as a complete solution, this timing belt kit provides a smoother and more reliable driving experience. Each part is built to strict quality standards. First, the timing belt crafted from premium HNBR rubber to resist heat, aging and oil. It also delivers exceptional tensile strength. Next, the alloy steel belt tensioner maintains precise tension, reduces vibration, and improves durability. Then, the belt pulley with sealed bearings dampens vibration, runs quietly, and ensures power transmission. A reliable seal provides long-lasting protection against oil, heat, and wear. A Premium provides a complete timing belt kit to make your driving experience smoother and safer.